Assalamualaikum and a very good morning, pupils. We meet again. We are still in the topic of division, and our subtopic today is more division. So our PDPR today will be offline. As usual, don't forget to memorize this multiplication chart. And then this is the division table. Okay, start from, for example, for the division table for 1. Okay, it start from 1. Okay, 1 divided by 1 equals 1. 2 divided by 2 equals 2. And then so on. Okay, now look at the timetable, the division table of 5. Okay, it start from 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. And then so on. As you can see here, the number here is the product of the multiplication of 5. It's the product of 5. Okay, we can read like this for the multiplication. 1 times 5 equals 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. And if you and then for division, we read like this. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. We will discuss more on this in our next Google Meet. Let us revise our previous lesson. Okay, what is 5 divided by 1? It is 5. What is 80 divided by 10? It is 10. 7 divided by 0 is 0. So remember, any number divided by 1 equals the number itself. And then 0 divided by any number equals 0. Next, 9 divided by 0 is 0. 30 divided by 10 is 3. And last one, 6 divided by 1 equals 6. Okay, now let us go through our subtopic today, more division. Okay, there are 20 mangoes. Pile the mangoes in sixes. How many piles do we have? How many mangoes are left? Okay, we have to group the mangoes in 6. Each group will have 6 mangoes. Okay, so this is the number sentence. 20 divided by 6 equals. Okay, this is the 20 mangoes. Okay, divided in 6. Sixes. Okay, this is first group, one group of 6 mangoes, and then another 6 mangoes. So if 6 plus 6, this is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there is already 12 mangoes, and then another 6 of mangoes. Okay, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 mangoes. Now we have already 18 mangoes. The total of mangoes just now before we pile it is 20. So the number of mangoes left is only 2. Okay, so this one cannot be grouped in sixes because there is no more mangoes. So class, okay, there are only 3 groups of sixes, or there are 3 piles of mangoes. Okay, the one that teacher circle is the number of piles or the number of the group. And then these 2 mangoes are the number of mangoes left. So we know that there are there is 3 piles of mangoes, and then there are 2 mangoes left. This is the first method to find the number of piles and the number of mangoes that left. Now we are going to learn how to divide by using standard written method. Okay, first of all, draw this symbol. It's like a pistol. Okay, this is the symbol of division. Okay, and then write 20 inside it, and then write 6 outside. Okay, so this means 20 is divided by 6. Okay, before we continue, okay, build 6 timetable first. Okay, like this. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the red color. And then the product of 6 here, okay, means that 0 times 6 equals 0. 1 times 6 equals 6. 2 times 6 equals 12. And then so on. Then, okay, we start do the division. Okay, look at the number here. The number here is 20. Okay, find the 20 in the number in the blue color here. Okay, but there is no 20. If there is no 20, find the number that is less than 20. Less than 20. Okay, 18 is the number that less than 20. Okay, so you underline 18 until 3 here. So we write 18 down here below 20. So 18 means that 18 divided by 6 equals 3. So we have to write 3 above 20. Okay, above 0, not above 2. Okay, above 0. And then underline and then write minus here. So means we have to 20 minus 18. Okay, minus 20 minus 18. So start from 0 minus 8. 0 minus 8 cannot, so we have to borrow from 2 to become 1, and then give 10 to 0. 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, and then 1 minus 1 is 0. So it's complete. So 3 is the number of piles or the number of group, and then 2 is the number of mangoes left. So there are 3 piles of mangoes. There are 2 mangoes left. And then how to write the answer here? So we write like this: 3 remainder 2. 3 remainder 2. Next example, 31 divided by 4. Okay, we draw the symbol first, write the 31 inside, 4 outside, and then build 4 times table. Okay, so we start from 31 here. Find 31 in the number with blue color. So there is no 31, so we have to find the number that is less than 31. Less than 31. Okay, here it is 28. Okay, underline until 7. Until the number with the red color. So we write 28 below 31. And then 28 divided by 4 equals 7. So write 7 above 1. And then underline and write the symbol of minus. So 1 minus 8 cannot, so we have to borrow from 3. Okay, 3 become 2. Give 10 to 1, so it become 11. So 11 minus 8 equals 3. And then 2 minus 2 equals 0. So the answer is 7, remainder 3. Okay, we will discuss some more example in our next Google Meet. So for your homework today, do exercise in activity book page 81 and 82. Okay, that's all from teacher. Assalamualaikum. Bye.